Now what we do have is something from NRC, New Rate Cycles. It's the part over there. Now, I may have made a mistake. I ordered the 2023 S1000R tail tidy kit because I figured the 2023 has the same rear section. The 2023 single R would have the same rear section as the 2023 double R, and it actually does not. It has the 2022 and back rear section. So hopefully this works and lines up properly. So we're going to test it out. This is pretty much the unboxing right here. I mean, it comes just like this. There's some bolts right here. I'm not going to go too crazy with the zip ties. I think that might have been an issue with the stock wiring. It comes with this here. Maybe one just for the light back here. So, all right, that's the unboxing of it. So let's get this thing installed. Let's go. Hey guys, so the first step is take your key in here, and you take off the rear pillion seat. Set that to the side. Then put the key in the pocket. And then follow the toolkit. Let's see what we got here. That's cool. We got a actual USB back here. That's pretty cool. Right here, it just looks like right here and there. Yeah, but it looks like all I do is take. This is my first time doing this. This is a new bike to me. This is my first BMW, so bear with me on this. But it looks like I take these three out. There's one, there's two, and there's 3, 4. But I don't need to remove this piece. I just want the whole piece to come out at once. So I'm gonna see what I need to do for that. And I'll cut the camera back on whenever I find out exactly what needs to take apart. All right, let's get it. All right, guys, I had to take off more than I thought. So obviously I took off the seat. And I had to take off this piece, this subframe piece right here. There's a bolt here, 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 there, there, right here, and there. There's a little mini screw there, and a mini one there. Then it slides underneath here. There's a little pin underneath here that keeps it in. Just to get to the turn signals, man. Looks like there's turn signals here. And on this side, there's another turn signal there. Now I should be able to get this out of here. So, all right, let's go. Okay guys, update. So I ended up pretty much taking off the whole lower subframe piece. It came off with this top piece up here. It's sitting right there on the ground. So it's there, and we spotted all the turn signals. One was here. I got that clipped off here. I'm thinking my stock. One over here. I'm thinking my stock wiring was getting pinched, which is why it wasn't working. There's several points where it's like pretty tight. So there's nothing my dealer did. It was pretty much shipped in that way. See that right there? Definitely pinched. And I think it might have actually frayed some of the wiring here. So that's why my left turn signal was the left turn signal. And the rear brake was not working, so hopefully this is the cause, and I'll have the dealer ship me a new one just in case I want to go back to stock. So I'll email them and tell them about that I figured it out, and it actually was this, and it's wired, it's frayed, it was pinched wire. So then they'll send me another stock one, but yeah, not bad. Okay guys, since I got pretty much the whole rear subframe off, I'm gonna do a little mock-up just to see if it fits in there properly, and then go from there. Okay, it fits. Now let's hope these screws align. And here's the plate, goes right here like that. Plate holder, I should say. And this wire goes in here, like so. So it should be pretty much covered up. Then these two bolts there, and then we should be good. And connect these wires. I'm gonna rewire everything though, so make sure it doesn't pinch. and mess this up. Okay, so next step is I got it up in there snug. As you can see right here, I just need to finish screwing this one in and that one in. Okay, well, I just found out you cannot snake in the plate holder with this screwed all the way in. So you gotta do the plate holder first before actually really screwing this in. But I gotta loosen it so I can put this in here. Make sure you feed the plate through prior to screwing this piece all the way in. And it gets snaked through this hole right here. If you guys can even see that. It goes through here. I could actually go this way because I think it's on this side. So let me go through here. Like so. Yeah, let me just put the same hole over here. Come on, get in there. Here. Get those in. I'll get these again. Hand tighten them in first. Stay. This one. Alright, I'll show you guys the wiring part in a second here. Alright y'all, so I had to find all the turn signals. This one here is for the license plate light. It kind of sits in this little pocket right here. It sits like right there. So I had to use like it's like a really thin hex Allen type thing in here. It's like a little clip in here to hold this in. Right here like that. Just slides out, so you slide and lift it out. And these two, I know it looks like a mess, but this one holds in here, right here like so. That was easy to slide out. And it's the same way over here. I already have this one clipped in. So then I'm gonna zip tie it down, make it nice and neat again. And then I'm gonna do the same for this one. I'm gonna clip it back in here, back right here where it's supposed to go. And then I'm gonna clip this one back right here by the silver. So pretty self-explanatory, it's pretty easy. Once you get this main subframe piece off, because you got to get to the turn signals. And you have to move this ODB port out the way also. It goes right here. It has its own little holder. It has its own holder, and it sits here like so. And it slides in there like that. So you have to move this out the way to get to the turn signals. All right. So before I put this all back together, I'll make sure the turn signals actually work. Turn signals work and the brake light works. So you guys hang tight. I'm gonna show you guys if it works or not. Starting with the left turn signal. And we're going right. I'm gonna put the brake on. Four ways. Okay guys, as you see, it's working. So I'm gonna zip tie that stuff down, put the top frame back on, put the seat back on, and we're going to ride. All right. Okay guys, got a small update for the NRC toe tidy. right after I installed it, went on a ride, came back, and then the next morning I went to go on a ride, and the fault light came on up here, but as you see, it's off now. But because I had to rewire the wires, those wires were also getting pinched. So what I did was I took them from their pockets. There's like a little pocket that sits right there, what I showed you earlier in the video. Sits there and there, and the turn signals were kind of zip tied over here in this section when you lift this part up. So like I said, I snaked them through here, kind of removed the ODB port, snaked them right here, and this one easily sits here and it sits back into its place there. So there's nothing going to get pinched. Everything's nice and neat and tucked away. So you may want to do that if you're getting the same issue I had, where it's smashing the turn signal wires on either side. So that's what you may want to do. It's fairly easy. The NRC Tail Tidy kit wires are pretty long, so you can actually, so it makes it easier to move all this stuff out the way. So I mean, if you have any questions, you just ask me in the comment section. And ever since then, since I moved it, I haven't had any issues. It was just the first day after, I don't know what I got. Like I said, I put everything back to the stock location, and it was smashing those wires, so I had to relocate it. So that's pretty much the whole update on it. I'm gonna turn the lights off so you guys can see how bright the Tail Tidy kit is, because I know a lot of people are like questioning it, that, you know, it might be too small, might not be visible. But yeah, it's not bad. People notice it. It's really bright. It's bright in the daytime, and it's bright at night. So like I said, I'm gonna turn my light off in here, and I'll show you guys what it looks like.